Hello friends, I'm Manisha. Welcome back to my channel Yoga Ras. So friends, there are many people who don't feel fresh when they wake up in the morning because a lack of good sleep. We all know that how a sound sleep is so important in our life. When the sleep pattern is disturbed, then it leads us to so many health complications like migraine, laziness, indigestion, etc. You are going to have some excitement and learning before going to bed because I am going to show you a simple bedtime yoga sequence which is great for all levels. If you are not getting a good sleep, this is a good sequence for relaxing our body and mind for a peaceful sleep. Welcome to the 10 minutes bedtime yoga in bed routine. Sit in a comfortable sitting posture. Close your eyes, allow all your negative thoughts to let it out. Because when we hold on our thoughts, it very much impacts to our consciousness. I suggest please calm down your mind, allowing all your negative thoughts to go out. Be present in the moment, focus on the positive energy. Let's begin with neck rotation. Rotate your neck gently in clockwise and anti-clockwise with normal breathing. Remember, do not allow your mind to stress. Just relax and let your thoughts to flow. Let your emotions flow towards the universe. Relax. Slowly straighten your one leg. Be comfortable. Inhale. Raise your hands up. Exhale, bend forward. Don't worry about the perfection. Just feel the gentle stretch on your back and calf muscles. Focus on your breathing. Whatever position is comfortable for you, be there. Relax your stressed area. Inhale, raise your hands and relax. Repeat the same on the other side. Due to the stress, throughout the day, our body gets stiff, so allow the body to loosen. Keep breathing normally. Relax. Come to a meditative posture. Allow again your thoughts to settle down on a positive energy. Start with Anulom Vilom. Inhale through left nostril and exhale through right nostril. Again, inhale through right nostril and exhale through left nostril. Continue for 5 to 7 rounds at your own pace. Focus on your breathing. Allow the positive vibes inside. Let it out all the negative thoughts. This pranayama helps to calm down your mind and provides a good sleep. Continue for 5 to 7 rounds. Relax. Next, take a pillow, lie down on your back. Be comfortable on your bed. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. Bring the soles of your feet together. Place your palms on your belly as you relax your shoulders and relax your jaw. Allow yourself to be completely present in this moment, knowing that all interaction and experiences of today have already happened. Relax. Slowly join your both knees. Give a gentle twist to your back. By inhaling, bring your knees to your left and then right side. Repeat for a few rounds. Relax. Straighten your legs. Slowly inhale, raise your left leg up. Grab your calf, gently press towards your chest. Relax. Repeat from other side. Keep breathing. Relax. Take a comfortable distance between your legs, arms by your side, palms facing upwards. Relax the muscles around your face. Move your awareness to each part of your body and relax. Enjoy your sleep. Good night. So friends, this is the sequence which you must try before going to bed. Just take out 5 to 10 minutes of your time for doing this, and trust me, you will have a very sound and peaceful sleep. For more such videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to be notified. Thank you for watching.